The Georgia Supreme Court has struck down some controversial rules enacted by the state election board shortly before last year's presidential election. 11 Alive's Doug Richards reports that the overturned rules had the support of President Donald Trump's backers on the board.
I don't know if you've heard, but the Georgia State Election Board is in a very positive.
At an Atlanta rally 3 months before his re-election last year, Donald Trump praised Georgia's election board. One member even attended the rally and waved to the crowd. The board was in the throes of passing new MAGA-friendly election rules. One would have required a hand count of ballots. Another would let counties stall certification of elections until after a, quote, reasonable inquiry. Critics argued the rules were unconstitutional.
The Georgia General Assembly is who makes the laws of this state, and that state executive bodies do not have the authority to make laws.
Chris Anulowicz was among the attorneys who persuaded the state Supreme Court to unanimously rule against the election board. In a 96-page opinion, the Supreme Court wrote that the SEB can pass rules to implement and enforce the election code, but it cannot go beyond, affirming that the election board had overstepped its authority. Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.
The 5-member election board is appointed by the governor, lieutenant governor, House Speaker, and the state Republican and Democratic parties.